Hello everyone, I am Fuji. Welcome to the Flake kitchen. Today I'll make okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki is a very popular street food in Japan. Then let's get started. First of all, cut the cabbage. Use 1/4 cabbage for each okonomiyaki. It's better to use plenty of cabbage. Roughly chopped. This channel introduces many Japanese food to everyone around the world. Updated every Friday. Please subscribe. Then chop the green onion. Then mix the ingredients. 100 grams of flour, 1 tablespoon dashi powder. Break the egg. 1 tablespoon tenkasu, 1 tablespoon dried shrimp, 1 tablespoon red pickled ginger, 100 cc of water. Mix well. Tenkasu is deep fried flour from the leftovers of cooked tempura. Add green onions. Mix well. Add chopped cabbage. And mix well. This time I introduce the most basic okonomiyaki recipe. Please put your favorite ingredients and arrange. For example, squid, shrimp, corn, rice cake, etc. Next, bake okonomiyaki. Heated iron plate. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. And spread the oil. Add okonomiyaki dough. Shape it into a round shape with the back of the ladle. There are multiple variations of okonomiyaki. This time I mixed the ingredients and baked it. But if you bake one by one, it will be Hiroshima yaki. Put the sliced pork belly. Put 5 to 6 pieces per okonomiyaki. Bake on low heat until the dough hardens. Occasionally peel off the dough so that it doesn't stick to the iron plate. Bake one side for 4 to 5 minutes and then turn it over. Ready, go! Okay, Okonomiyaki is a staple of festival and fireworks stores. I often bought and ate when I was a kid. Bake the other side for 4 to 5 minutes. Take a break until it bakes. On the other side, sometimes peel on the pork so that it doesn't stick to the iron plate. Ladies and gentlemen, I will show you my special trick from now on. That trick's name is blind fire time! But actually, this is my first time making okonomiyaki. It's a short time. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, woo! Oh yeah! The pork was baked in a delicious color. A little more to finish. Finally, turn it over again. The pork side is on the bottom. It smells delicious. I can't wait. Baked to a delicious color. Finally, I will start finishing. Add plenty of okonomiyaki sauce. This is a sweet and salty taste similar to barbecue sauce. If you doesn't get okonomiyaki sauce, you can use barbecue sauce. Oh, I think demi-glace sauce is also delicious. Sprinkle plenty of mayonnaise. Draw beautifully artistically. Then sprinkle the aonori. It's green seaweed powder. Finally, sprinkle the dried bonito flakes. It's called katsuobushi in Japanese. It's done.
Oh, I was looking for this. I'm hungry.
Set aside to a size that is easy to eat.
Oh, yeah. Delicious. This is good for meal and light meal. Haha. So if you didn't get okonomiyaki sauce, you can use barbecue sauce or demi-glace sauce. Please try it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and thumbs up. See you next time.